Oh, this ponytail is so fucking shit. Do you know what? I'm not even going to tell you where I got it from because I don't even want to promote them. Because they ain't inclusive, because that's the energy we're giving today. And furthermore, actually, if you ain't inclusive, you ain't getting a shout out, period. What am I here for? Yeah, anyways, so I thought I'd do my face like here as well. I mean, I might as well, why not, eh? Right, so to moisturise, I'm going to use the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. For primer, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Soft Silk Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. Do you know what? Every time I use this primer, I'm like, this is actually such a lovely primer, but I just always forget to use it. I don't know why. But yeah, if you've got like normal to like dry skin, try this primer. It's actually proper good. Foundation. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way, and this is in the shade Cocoa. Let's give it a little shake first. How is everyone anyway? How are we doing? This week's been very tough for all of us, hasn't it? This is probably, well, this is the second time I've actually picked up makeup. You know when makeup doesn't make you happy, that's when you know something's up. Do you know what I mean though? Like even makeup wasn't cheering me up. I was so sad this whole week, man. But it's been really nice to see everyone like come together for a really good cause, because this has been going on for years. It's nothing new. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, I just want to quickly say rest in peace to all the amazing people who have lost their lives to police brutality. Can't lie, I look fucking snatched. Yes, I don't know whether it's this ponytail, what, this shit ponytail. Anyway, so for concealer, I'm gonna also use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and this is in the shade Mocha. Also, a tutorial on the eye is on my Instagram, so follow me on there. It's really easy, and I use one of my favourite palettes as well, black-owned brand, My Tired. Right, so I'm just going to contour quickly with my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the shade Congo. I'm going to quickly set my under eye, and I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. This is in the shade Kunafa. And I'm just going to reverse contour with the Mercier Deep Translucent Powder. So I just like to take it underneath, just here, just to set the rest of my face as well. Okay, so we have arrived at the moment of truth. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. So it's a matte bronzing filter for face and body. I don't think I'm going to be putting it on my body, but I'll put it on my face. This is what the packaging looks like. It's actually quite relatively big, so it comes sealed. Can I get inside this box though? Ooh, this is a big pan. So this is what it looks like. So it basically looks like the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, like the same shape, but it's just got like some detail on it. But yeah, so that's the powder, and this is the bronzer. Oh, lovely. Looks very bougie. It's quite heavy, so you open it up. Sorry, but I don't know who this is meant to be bronzing, but I don't think it's gonna bronze me. Anyway, have a look. Have a butcher's at that, right? Guys, I don't know. It looks quite neutral toned as well. I was expecting it to be a lot darker than this. Let's have a swatch, shall we? Because I'm flabbergasted right now. So, I'm just gonna... It's the same colour as my hand. Can you even see it? Because I actually can't see it. Can you see it? Anyway, before we judge, let's just try it on our face, shall we? Because you never know, it might come up on the face. Okay, so this is the Anastasia A20 brush. I'm just going to use this. Oh, it's got a lot of fallout. Can you see that? It's quite dusty, and there's a lot that's come up on the brush as well. So it's quite pigmented. Just tap off some. Do you know what? It's actually not bad. Like, I can see it. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? Like, look at that compared to that. Like, is it warmer? It's actually not too bad. It actually does come up on the skin though. Do you know what? I think I judged this too quickly. It's actually quite pretty. And I'm layering it quite a lot, but I don't feel like you need to actually layer it that much. But I do see some warmth. This one is a lot better than the Makeup Revolution ones. Like, the only shade I could use for bronzer was the shade Dark, I believe. So if you compare the two, so this is the Makeup Revolution one, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury one. So they're very similar in colour, but on camera, this one's picking up a little bit more warmer. Because I've tried this one as well, and I feel like it didn't really show up that much on me. I had to layer it quite a bit. So yeah, I think if I was to pick one out of the two, it would definitely be this one, you know. I can't lie to you. Yeah, I actually really like it. It does actually look quite warm. It could be a bit more warmer, don't get me wrong. It could be warmer, but hey ho, she had a good go at that. She really did. How much is this even? Let me check. So the bronzer retails for £39 in the UK. So on the website as well, it claims it has hyaluronic acid infused, it's smoothing, pore blurring effect, and it's matte. Well, it also says the shade is perfect for deep skin tones to create the appearance of a sun-kissed, bronze contoured complexion. I wouldn't say I disagree. How do we feel about this? I actually really like it. I think I definitely prefer it over the Makeup Revolution one. Yeah, it is a lot more smoother as well. It doesn't have a scent. The Makeup Revolution one smells so good though. It smells like pineapples. I think she did a good job. I don't know whether it would work on anyone that's darker than me. Personally, I think it would be perfect for someone who was probably like a shade up from me, but I can actually work with that. It's actually really nice. I like it. Let me see what it looks like on my nose actually. I like the fact that it's got a big fat mirror as well. I always bronze here as well because it makes your lips look a bit more plump. Yeah, that's a perfect shade for my nose though. I really like that. Do you know what, guys? I can't lie to you. Out of 10, I think I'm gonna rate this like 7 or 8, you know. It's actually really nice. I'm very, very pleasantly surprised. I didn't think, like looking at it in the pan, I thought it was gonna be way too light. I didn't think it was gonna show up, do you know what I mean? And it's refillable as well, so when you finished it, you can take it out and then replace it with another pan, which is really clever. We do like a sustainable brand, don't we, guys? So I'm gonna finish my face and then I'll be back for my closing thoughts. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. If you want to see the eyes and the lips, make sure you check out my Instagram video. I've said this probably about 5 times already, innit? Wow, this shameless plugging is a bit too much. I need to allow it. Yeah, so I think I really like it. I really like it. This is definitely something I would definitely wear. I don't know if it's going to be my favourite, but I think it's a close contender. Shit. Well done, Charlotte. Well done. But she does need to come out with more shades because, come on, man. Like, one shade for deeper skin tones? No, not in this day and age, honey. However, with that being said, it is a nice bronzer. I can't even lie to you. But yeah, other than the shade range, there's not much I can say that's negative about it, to be fair. Like, it's a nice bronzer, I can't lie to you, fam. So I guess that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and yeah, make sure you keep this momentum going, guys, please. educate. If you're not black, find ways to help out your community. We are all part of the same human race, guys. I can't stress this enough. We all need to just look after each other. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Love you lots. Mwah. Bye, guys.